All right, it's January 5th and it's Friday. It is the end of the week and we had only one trade today. And this one was a little unexpected. It was late in like the afternoon. It was like I entered like an hour and a half left in the market. That was like my first trade of the day. So like I waited all day, didn't find anything, and then this one came up kind of quick. So I hesitated on it a little bit, but I still got a nice move. Got 11 and 3/4 points, so almost 12 points on a MES trade. So that's pretty good. So I mean, I only went in with two contracts on this one, so a little bit lighter size than what I've been kind of playing around with. So yeah, so I mean, we kind of opened up here, and we started off with just kind of like pumping up all the way to like the moving averages, which on a 30-minute time frame it kind of just looks like we just retested them. So I mean, even like 5 day, we didn't touch 5 day on a 1 minute chart, but it looks like we touched it on a higher time frame. So it looks like we kind of just came and we pushed below and retested them. So it kind of looked like we're going down now. So we're in like we just did a big selling channel all day. So yeah, that happened in the morning. So I mean, buyers kind of stepped away after that, and I mean, like they made like a lower high or higher low, and we found some support right here, which overnight, like the pre-market, they didn't really hold like this pink line, which is the low from like the week before Christmas. So I mean, they didn't really hold it. So I mean, honestly, I expected coming up in the morning just to retest this and kind of push below, but we kind of held above it all day. We came down a little bit right here, and then actually ended up double bottoming on it. So yeah, I mean we pushed below it a little bit, but quickly came back up, kind of to test VWAP again, which we were kind of chopping around here a little bit, and then we came up, which I was actually kind of looking for a long here right now. I still kind of had like a bearish bias on the day, so I wasn't too keen to a long. But I take longs all the time. Like my strategy is like mostly longs. I don't know if it's just because of the season or like the where we are right now or what. But I didn't take a long here just because we kind of had a big sell off into VWAP. There wasn't really a good retest. We weren't really holding, so we pushed below VWAP here. And so, I mean, I like the retest that we had on a higher time frame, and it kind of we made like a higher low. So I figured it could be good for sure. I thought there was a lot of potential for a downside because I mean, if we rejected off VWAP, we could potentially make a lower low. And so if I had that, I could leave a runner, maybe get a good end of day, last hour of the market open sell off. But that didn't happen. But it was a potential because there wasn't any like the farthest pivot. This is probably like 20 points away. So I'm entered in up here at like 40s. This is 15. Okay, so like it was far away. So that was the pivot. But I had like two levels I was kind of targeting, which was this pink level, like the week before Christmas is low, which we've been kind of playing around, like bounced off it right here. So but that wasn't a good risk reward. I don't think it touched not like when I had my entry. I don't think this was at 9 points. So I wanted to go for a little more. So I thought the bottom of the 15-minute range was good. Was a good spot to take a runner, like to take initials off and then leave a runner, just in case like we were trying to make lower lows. But that's where I messed up. um, so I've been going long a lot. So I'm used to pressing like the sell market button to like get out of trades, or not even that. Not even I'm not really even used to it. I mean, just most of the time it just hits my profit target. I don't even have to like press anything. But I wasn't really paying attention, and I was short, so I'm supposed to press the buy market button. So because I have to buy the contracts back. So, but I didn't. I pressed sell, and I added to my position. That's what this like pink arrow is. I think yeah, that's what the pink arrow is. So I noticed that did it or that happened, and I just right away I was like, okay, like I kind of like put myself in a fucked position, so I just closed out of the trade, at the same spot I entered in at. So I missed whatever. I mean, I got 12 points on an ES trade. So, but I wanted to leave a runner, but the runner wouldn't have even gotten really anything. I mean, we only moved down below like 3 points. So I mean, I took it off right here. We only went below like, actually like 4 points, 5 points if you count like right here. But anyways, I only got 11 and 3/4 on this trade. So entry 473,850, close 472675. Like, do the calculations, bruh. So yeah, I only went with 2 contracts, so I'm up 112, 113, whatever. So yeah, it was a good Friday, good way to end off the week. And I mean, yeah, this week has been very good. Like, here's this little Tradezilla Walmart version I created on Google Spreads. So I mean, only had one losing day this week, but I mean we had 3 wins, 2 losses, so we're up 315 this week, and it's the first week of the eval, so everything looks good. So I'm hoping to keep this going into next week, but I mean we'll see. Whenever I have like big wins, I always kind of give it back. So I'm gonna study hard this weekend, and then we'll be back going next Monday. So see y'all next week.